definitely involved. Not only involved, I also had a certain framework drawn for the judging team, and that framework definitely had lots of ingredients wherein which we took each and every parameter and divided that into what exactly are the objectives for us for that judgment. And to go, it's just not judgment, it was also to analyze apart from just passing a judgment, to see what exactly are the what we normally term it in business terms or called KPI, what exactly was the key performance indicators for that particular event on that particular subject. And then we came up after a thorough analysis of each and every individual, which gives us a certain insight on that particular passing of judgment. And if we just made a certain judgment, it was based on certain discussion with the fellow colleagues of mine who were into the panel, and then we went into the deep diagnosis of KPIs, wherein which what was the plus, what was the minus, and where this guy or a person has to be improved, and why we are passing this judgment. And it was overall an experience of life, because being into education, I really had a great time when we really got into these people who were future leaders. And this initiative actually, I was passionate about education, but when I saw that translated into young leaders, it was an exciting event, and I was really proud to be one of the members. These people were rough diamonds, which we probably, they were definitely having that spark within themselves, but at the end of the second day, I can really tell you that they were really chiseled down, they were really fine-tuned, and they were ready as a future prospect. I saw them going through these 2 days, an enormous change in themselves to understand the right perspective of exactly the objective what we are doing over there. So they were really fine-tuned, chiseled, and then gone through the series of programs, which really made them understand a bigger picture, a larger picture of life, in fact, how the real world works when it comes to their actual givings in the world, how they will probably have to interact on a situational management, how they will probably have to be behaving when it comes to as a challenge, and how they will work with the team along. So this is actually the real life experience which they've got within these 2 days. I saw a tremendous change in them. Personally, I was excited, and it was just like, it was that spark which I can see. And those people were really feeling it themselves, so it was exciting. And this was one of a kind of an initiative. Being in this industry from past 15 years, I can see that we impart education, but this was learning by doing. I can tell you that it was just, you actually did what you learned, and that was a fantastic thing to happen. And it brought out the real talent in them. I can just tell you that there were situations given to them, and they had to act within that situation, and that really got a talent. What exactly is the hidden features in them, and that was exactly the purpose of this program. The purpose of this program was actually to let them understand and act on the situation which they will probably be shortly when they come out to the real world. So the program itself was really designed, be it activity wise, be it situational leadership wise, be it giving them a case study. It was all together wherein which they really will probably be putting their hands on and then coming out with a certain giveaway how exactly that will be acted if they were into that situation. Education is imparting education was my passion, and when I heard about certain initiative like this, definitely heard about young the congresses around the world all over which happens, and then I was into this congress, hearing about different countries happening it, and when I heard from you that you are planning something like that, it excited me. It excited me because somebody is bringing something which was supposed to be only a Western affair. It was supposed to be only happening, it was just like an American thing, it was just like an European thing, and there was somebody who was taking that initiative, and that was something bold to take that initiative. And I will tell you what, I was excited from the day one when I heard that, yes, there is what I think, I want to bring that in practice in the Middle East, and that was really exciting, and I was really passionate about it, to see how will their, my contribution be, and then that's what I was thinking, how I will contribute, within my passion to these young people who are going to be the leaders of tomorrow. The one particular thing which has really stricken to me is when when we showed them the happening leaders and showed to them that how they have become successful and why they have become successful. Definitely you have gone through the entire phases of that leader, because it's just not, success is not an overnight thing, and success doesn't happen just like that. It's just not luck which will probably make people successful. There are definitely different phases required. Planning is required, and a clear understanding is required. How to present what you are planning is required. There was a great example of Steve Jobs given, actually, and I really loved it. So all these ingredients which will make a true leader was a main highlight, and definitely apart from the sub-highlights we are talking about, getting the teams together, building them together, using your creativity, definitely they were sub-highlights, but the true highlight for me is to show the success story and a journey of a true leader, and that was truly given in a right way, in a formalized way to these young leaders. They really understood what will make a leader and how will they probably have to go through their different situations in life, because things are tough and life is tough out there, and how people have become a leader, going and fighting with all those situations which are acting adverse, which are not exactly helping them to get the best out of them. I have seen people totally going through a revamp of their personalities. There was quite a few hidden talents within themselves, which was actually not coming out because the right environment was not there, nor the framework or that particular motivation was not there. But I have seen within these 2 days a total change in their personalities, and I still remember one of the parents saying that it takes one YAL event to bring out this in my daughter, and that was really touching and motivating. And the mother actually was a businesswoman herself, running 5 businesses, and she was saying that there was something similar in her own life happened back in her school days, which really created her, and she is one of the leading businesswomen in this world right now, and she was so proud to see her own daughter coming out in a similar way. So that particular one event, that particular activation or spark of life should happen to really bring you back into this, and I think this particular event created a platform for that. Quite a few things, and then when we heard from the parents, I can see actually the spark in their eyes, saying that wow, this is what my kids is made for, and I knew that this was a talent in him, and I was not seeing it, and I've seen it now. So, and that was that really warmed my heart. That really made me say that actually what is been happening is the right thing and the right time, and I was glad to be a part, and I have to thank you to probably giving me a chance and get that particular passion of my own self to translate that into just to end up all together. All of those people were having real good rainbows over their head, and they were really looking for a place to settle it down. I'm a true advocate of this event, and I really want this on a constant basis, because I don't want really anybody as a young school leaver to miss this golden opportunity. And I said to these people when I was probably giving a last keynote, saying that back in my days, back in our days of schooling, we really miss this. With this happening, and this was something, it did happen sometime recently to my own daughter. I was back in, and this is a live case because I was back in one of the malls, and then they were having a talent show, and I just checked with my daughter saying that, do you want to go up on the dais and then probably show something for us? And she was saying, no, don't you think so? I'm shy. And I said, listen, you know what? You're not shy at home. Why did you just try it over here? So, and then this was a paid event. So I just walked in. I said, listen, my daughter wants to do something out there. And then the judges there, they asked like, what does she want? And what do you do best? So I turned towards my daughter and I said, what do you want to do? She was saying that, you know what, I'll probably sing a song. I said, just go. And she was saying that, oh, I said, what song? And she was saying like, you know, I remember One Direction. I want to just go and sing this song of Selena Gomez, One Direction. I said, let's go. The moment I saw her on the dais, she was a complete different person. And I was enjoying it all the way through. So, and then I said, the platform is what is required now. Everybody has a talent. And thanks for you're providing the platform. I would love to in all cases. And I can see that, there's a lot of energy in me. To get that out is required. And then I would love to, at any time, at any way of contributing, I would definitely love to.